People will depend on you to defend this industry with the talent that God has blessed you. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one, Jason D.
Thank you so much. I love you, Sir Martin Rivera, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe! Woo!
Now clean this up.
You know what, guys? Konting kwento lang. Sir Martin landed here yesterday lang from the US. So I was messaging Sir Martin, Sir Marts, would you please do me the honor to guest on my concert? And ganyan. But we weren't sure if it was gonna happen kasi nga, you know, with flights and everything, the delays. So he went straight from the airport to here. So grabe, I'm so thankful. I'm so gracious and so grateful for everything. Sir Martin, mahal na mahal kita. Yan, isa yun sa mga pinakamabait na tao sa industriya. Sobrang ang laki ng puso, sobrang buti. Kaya siya concert king kasi he has such a big heart. Kaya nagtatagal yung mga ganyan, nagiging icons yung mga ganyan kasi grabe yung mga puso nila. Kaya once again, palakpakan po natin Sir Martin Rivera. Okay po ba yung hair ko? Okay ba yung buhok ko? Ayos po ba? Yung mukha ko okay na po ba? That is because care of po ang ating hairstylist na sina Mikey Arcano and Janica Cleto. Palakpakan po natin sila. They made me look good tonight for all of you guys. Now, for those who might not remember, of course, Be My Lady was my very first teleserye theme song. And to be able to sing this song on the stage with the man himself is an honor, unlike any other. Kaya grabe talaga. This next song I have for you is also a classic. Ako lagi itong kinakanta sa video games. Lagi itong number 1. Na-enter ko lagi number nito kasi favorite itong kantahin. It's a timeless love song, timeless OPM song na ang lakas pa rin ng tama, pinapakinggan pa rin natin lahat hanggang ngayon. Bakit di mo ko nalimutan ka? Bawat sandali, ika'y namaalala. Tangi kong pasal sa may kapal. Magkapiling ka muli. Ikaw pa rin ang nakakari, pangarap ko. Ikaw lamang hanggang ngayon. Ikaw na ang tunay na minamahal. Ikaw ang hinintay kung magkaiba ka. Ikaw ay kaya
Alam niyo po, si Jason po ay isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na singers dito sa ating bansa. And I just want to congratulate you on your 10th year anniversary. And I'm so happy to be part of it, part of the celebration. And I heard it's also your birthday, so happy birthday also. This is just the beginning for you. There'll be more, and we are expecting more of this, right? And while you're at it, magwalis ka at dumi-dumi ang stage!
Sorry na po,
Ang
sir.
bihira! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Jason Day!
Eugene Velasquez, ladies and gentlemen!
Magsisiga nga ako mamaya. Grabe itong mga
I
to.
love you, Miss
Di naman
Reg.
kayo naglimas? Ang dami pwedeng sigaan din eh!
Grabe! I love you guys too so much. Thank you, thank you. Guys, akalain niyo yun? Kinaya niyo ba yun, Eugene Velasquez? Woo! You know, Miss Reg, she's so generous with her time. She's such a lovely, beautiful person inside and out. And isang text ko lang kay Miss Reg, nahihiya pa ako, nanginginig pa ako mag-text talaga kay Miss Reg. Miss Reg, ang haba pa ng tinext ko. As in, nag-compose pa ako ng isang mahabang paragraph na, "Good evening, Miss Reg. Would you please do me the honor of singing at my 10th anniversary concert? That would mean so much to me." Tapos reply agad, "Yes, go, kailan yan?" Grabe. Sobrang love na love ko yan si Miss Reg. So I can't believe I got to share the stage with her. And to sing one of my favorite songs ever of her, it's Sir Ogie Alcacid also. Grabe. Okay pa ba kayo, guys? Nag-enjoy pa kayo so far? Grabe. Talaga namang OPM icon sila Miss Reg and si Sir Martin. Pero at this moment, I'd like to sing a couple more songs. Itong part na to,